Hello everyone watching Innothai News. Today we have come here to the launching of Bihari Association and an early Holi meet. All Indian states here in Thailand, they have their own association where they share their cultures and traditions among the people from their own states. However, one from Bihar was lacking. After trying since 2014, finally today they've been able to establish an organization or an association in their name where they will be sharing very rich and cultural traditions and really other exciting things from Bihar or one part of India that is really popular. So let's all go here and see and explore what this amazing part of India, Bihar, has to offer and how vibrant this community is. So let's go and explore.
So I'm very happy to be among all of you this evening on the occasion of Foundation Day of Bihar, which will be, I think, on 22nd of March. And this is the first time you are celebrating in Bangkok this occasion along with all the members of, maybe who are available here in Bangkok and nearby areas. So I wish you all the best for future, that you continue your association, and also you may like to register this in future and become part of the various community associations in Thailand and contribute. So we are also as natives of Bihar, and when we come here to represent India, especially in my service, it is a proud moment for me, and we belong to a place which has historically Bihar has a glorious past. We have a glorious history. Bihar is birthplace of, we can say that, you see the Buddhism, which is the knowledge, and we have the civilizational. We are the birthplace of Jainism. Even Sikhism has origin in Bihar. Then we have all the glorious historical. We can see the Chandragupta Maurya, Ashoka, Chanakya. So Bihar has something which has given to entire India. That is, India is proud of. And today maybe we have lost some glory. And this is the duty of our generation to now bring this glorious history in front of the world, and also teach our new generation what Bihar used to be and how much Bihar has contributed even in our independence struggle.
सबसे पहले मैडम डीसीएम very thank you for coming here even after you are little sick, but you came here, you accepted our invitation. And I would like to say that this is our first meeting, so we didn't say anything, we didn't decide anything, just we even we didn't meet before. हम लोग ने पहले मिला भी नहीं था, और राखी जी और पूनम जी ने इनिशिएटिव लिया, और फिर हम लोगों ने डिसाइड किया कि चलो इस बार, क्योंकि हम जो है सिंस 2014 से कोशिश कर रहे थे कि हर एक यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे कि हम लोग ऐसे तो इंडियन हैं, लेकिन फिर भी हर एक स्टेट का अपना एसोसिएशन है, लाइक गुजराती समाज है, मराठी मंडल है, तमिल एसोसिएशन है, उड़ीसा का है, और फिर यहाँ पे इंडियन गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से जो मैडम टूरिज्म का प्रमोशन के लिए लोग आते हैं, तो हर एक राज्य के लोग आते थे, लेकिन बिहार से कोई भी नहीं आता था. और जबकि थाईलैंड इज मोर कनेक्टेड टू द बिहारी कल्चर, आई मीन लाइक बुद्धा, लाइक दे बोध गया इज मक्का फॉर देम.
सर्वप्रथम डीसीएम मैम को मेरे तरफ से और आप सभी आदरणीय लोगों को नमस्कार, प्रणाम। और संजीव जी को बधाई देता हूँ कि फर्स्ट डे में ही उन्होंने इतने सारे लोगों को इकट्ठा कर लिया, तो बहुत बहुत बधाई संजीव जी। और हमने ये सोचा है कि कुछ चूँकि हमारा काम है अपनी भाषा को वो करना, प्रमोट करना।
So with me, I have Madam DCM, Miss Alpana Dubeji. So with her, I have few questions to ask. So firstly, welcome to today's event.
Thank you very much. I am delighted to be here among all of you.
Okay.
Thanks for inviting.
So my first question to you would be this Bihar Association that is going to be established. It's a pretty new organization or an association. So what are your thoughts about this association being established here?
Yeah, it's a very good initiative. I congratulate Mr. Sanjeev Chaturbedi as well as all other participants here, including your new channel and the other people who are also associated with it. And I wish all the best for your future endeavors. And as embassy also, we would support as far as we can do.